Okay, here's a little walk around of the 1969 427 Corvette. We changed the quarter panels on it, both left and right side, made some other repairs. Door gap is too tight. Somebody's going to have to finish that up. I changed both left and right side. Overall, it's a pretty nice car. Doesn't belong to me, belongs to somebody else, just doing somebody a little bit of a favor. Here's the driver's side. Once again, the door gap needs a little bit more of attention, but this is as far as I needed to go with it. There were front flares on it, so the flares you can see have been removed. There is another little video that shows the car coming off the trailer, what it looked like initially. But this is what we got. 69 Corvette, quarter panel replacement.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Music licensing reimagined.